When your carpet's in a mess, call ProCare.
Hi, I'm Janet with ProCare, your textile and hard surface care experts here in Middle Tennessee. When it comes to maintaining your fine rugs, upholstery, and carpet, you want options that save you money, aren't time-consuming, and eliminate frustration. Thankfully, there is a product that does all of this while improving the overall health of your home. Allow me to introduce you to Fiber Protector. Now, Fiber Protector was established in Norway in 1995 and was introduced to the United States in 2005. The product is a fluoropolymer based on nanotech particles. It's these particles that, when applied to fabrics, make up an invisible shield around each fiber. This provides an effective barrier against water and oil-based spills, organic fluids, soil, and dust, while allowing easier stain release and removal. It's completely transparent and causes no visible change to your textiles. Fiber Protector is not a fluorochemical, which is an environmentally unfriendly ingredient that can be found in many of the most popular protectors. It's also not a silicone, which can cause textiles to yellow and attract dirt. When compared to the top fluorochemical and silicone-based protectors, Fiber Protector performed the best according to an independent lab in Dalton, Georgia. It's also the only protector in the world with the EnviroSeal certification from WoolSafe. Here are a few of the many benefits of Fiber Protector. It prolongs the life of your rugs, upholstery, carpet, and other fine textiles. It provides easier spot removal. It's a shield against oil and water-based stains. It helps protect against UV sun fading, reduces wear and tear. It even prevents the spread of unwanted bacteria and germs, a surprising benefit discovered during the independent lab testing. No product will make your fine textiles completely stain-proof. However, Fiber Protector gives the professional cleaner the absolute best chance to restore your fine textiles. So, now that you know what this amazing product can do for you, give us a call. It's time to let us protect your fine textiles and safeguard your home. It's time to choose Fiber Protector by ProCare.
When your carpet's in a mess, don't settle for anyone less. Call the company